Guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, it's going to be all about how to verify your Binance account. As you all know, mostly especially in Nigeria, Nigerians are now finding it very hard to verify their Binance account. And as you guys can see, the market is looking a kind of bullish, as in the bulls are back. So everything is now adding up as in value. As you guys can see, BNB that was Binance, that's BNB that was almost $220 something before, is now $405. Not to talk of BTC, Ethereum, and that kind of stuff. So, and as you guys can see the top gainers, everything is going well, and the top losers. That's one thing you know that you're going to meet in cryptocurrency. But for this video, it's going to be all about how to verify your Binance account. As you guys can see, let me show you my account. Clicking on my profile, you guys have seen my account is verified, which means let me show you the essence of verifying your account. Normally, it's being said that without verifying your Binance account, you can't, your daily withdrawal, what I mean by withdrawal is sending out coin from your Binance account to any other wallet. And also, in time to come, assuming you lose access to your wallet, if you didn't verify your account, you will have access to it again. So that's why you say that you have to verify your accounts so that you won't get to lose your account all of a sudden, or if you get to lose your device, that kind of stuff. So let me go into details on how to verify your Binance account. Click on your profile. As a Nigerian, make sure you have your address, your postal code, your NIN, or the one of card, or the one of NIMC. Then once you create an account, when you are done creating an account, if you don't also have a Binance account, I will be putting in the link below in the video of this description. And if you are yet, and also if you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, because if this verification didn't work for you, I'll drop another verification method that will work out for you. And for you to know when the video will be dropped, you have to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell, and also drop your comment. If you have any issues after verification and it's not working out, drop it in the comment section, because I'll be uploading more videos on how to, on many ways you can use to verify your Binance account. Though there are black hat method and white hat method that I will teach you guys. So click on verify. Though these are the steps you have to use first. Yeah, as it's loading up. So yes, you guys can see it. Here is the normal verification, the first verification you have to do on Binance. That's your personal information. As you guys can see, I verified it. I see features and limits. My deposits on this basic is deposit is unlimited. Then coming to withdrawal, my only withdrawal is 2 BTC, and which is very hard. You guys know that using 2 BTC, maybe all of a sudden a day you might have trades that will go higher than that. Then coming to intermediate is most popular. Yeah, as you guys can see, all basic information required verified, government ID verified, facial verification verified. See the features and limits for this, and this is what most people use, because I'm not sure that you people can go for professional, which is the third verification, which means I'll be trying to verify that. So as you guys can see here, these are the features and limits. Deposit $50K, let me call it in full words, daily, 500K monthly. And you guys can see my crypto limit is 100 BTC. So there is no two ways about it. As in, just what you have to do, first of all, I will advise you to make sure your phone, the camera of your phone is clear when taking a picture of your facial, because they'll ask you of your face, as in for them to capture your face. Then the second one is your NIN and your address. If you don't know how to get your address, just ask around, ask your relations, or your dad, or your parents, or your guys, or your friends around. They will tell you. Then your postal code, the postal code of your area. You ask Google, or you go to post office, ask them the postal code of your area. That's what you need, and make sure your details are clearly written, so that you won't have issues. And if you have misplaced your NIN, try get it and make it to be on a paper, and make the paper to be clear, so it will be easy for you to verify your account. Because if after watching this video and it didn't help in verifying your account, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be dropping another method which you will use to verify your account, and that will be the black hat method, and a kind of fishy way for verification. As you guys can see, my country is Nigeria, so we don't have to do anything. And in my next video, I'll be also showing you guys the advantages I've gained from using this intermediate, which is most popular, whereby I can have access to any crypto, any bulky cryptocurrency I want to have access to. So if this is your first time, subscribe to the channel, comment in the video, drop comment, and if you have not opened Binance account, if you have not created a Binance account, I'll be dropping link in the description of this video below. Make sure you subscribe. Still your boy, the God X. See you guys next time on second level or second method of verifying your Binance account. Thanks.